Pot roast. Anyways, we're gonna do something different today. What's in your fridge? What's in our fridge? Let's see. We have water, lemons, strawberries. I love to put berries in my water. We got some Latino juice there. Got some pickles. I got some Aldi. Twin Peak. Corn on the cob. Pepper jack cheese. Havarti cheese. This is garlic. I buy whole and then I chop it all up. We have Italian sausage, of course, for spaghetti. Yogurt. We've got mushrooms. We've got bacon. Milk, of course. Got some OJ. Let's see. This is for when I make like a stir fry. We got some summer sausage from Aldi. So that's good with, like, you know, cheese or crackers. Or then we got this red wine. Yeah. Then oh yeah, we got this large thing for like $5 at Aldi's for like lasagna. Extra cheese on pizza. This is from Colombia. This is my Colombian ketchup. And of course you gotta have arroz con leche, yo. My husband likes this stuff right here. And I don't know if you guys have tried this, but this is the butter pecan. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's really good. And of course, Whoppers. I don't know if you guys tried this one, but it's really good. Sabra spreads, and it's honey mustard. It's really good. Capri Suns. Mommy can't drink me. Tell me I can't sit down and drink 4 of them at a time, Mom, because I can drink them all. Because I'm growing up now, Mom. Oh, you know we got aguardiente colombiano. Water, yo, because you know I be drinking water like crazy. My husband too. Can you believe we got this at Dollar Tree? Dollar Tree. And then we got some stuffed clams there that we had last night with steak. So, I just wanted to do something different. So, hopefully, you know, this is different enough for you guys. We have bacon, we've got tortellini, portobello mushrooms, regular button mushrooms, 3 cheese tortellini. Yeah. And of course, you know, we got some mojo. Mojo, baby. It ain't no mojo, just mojo. I even got some Colombian hot sauce, baby. It's from Colombia. We got pizza. We got Texas toast with garlic, cheese. Yeah, we're good. Anyways, Dollar Tree. Oh, my husband's already been in that, and that's from Aldi's. And we like these. Anyways, guys, like I said, something different. Don't forget.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Bye.